Today, I'll show you how to reclaim space that wasn't properly released after deleting a snapshot. First, make sure the partition where your virtual machine is located has sufficient free space. Next, create a new snapshot for this virtual machine. Then delete this newly created snapshot. Now you'll see that the previously unreleased space has been reclaimed. Helpful tip: to prevent similar issues in the future, always ensure you maintain adequate free space on the partition hosting your virtual machine. Thanks for watching.